What's up, everybody? I'm DJ Epic. Today is Friday, March 27th, and I'm back once again with your weekend kickstart. The new movie Get Hard comes out today, starring Kevin Hart and Will Ferrell. I'm excited about this film. I've been watching the previews. It looks hilarious. It's about Will Ferrell getting ready to go to prison, and Kevin Hart is teaching him how to survive in prison, getting him ready to go to jail. I'm excited. This is the first time these two have teamed up on a film. So it's kind of like having Batman and Superman get together and make a comedy film. I'm hoping it does crazy numbers in the box office. I'm going to go check it out tomorrow afternoon. In sporting news, Kevin Durant is out for the rest of the season. He had bone graft surgery. They're saying he's going to be out for 4 to 5 months, ending his season this year down in Oklahoma City. I'm hoping Kevin Durant recovers and he's back next year stronger than ever. In television news, The Walking Dead spinoff has finally got a name. Today on Twitter, The Walking Dead has revealed the name of their spinoff show. It's called Fear the Walking Dead. I don't know too much more about this series, except for it does take place during the same time of the zombie apocalypse in the original series Walking Dead, but it's going to deal with a different cast of characters. It's going to be dealing in a different part of the world. And it's going to kind of deal with some different situations that people are dealing with in the world during this zombie apocalypse. I'm excited about it. It's still in production, so they haven't started filming yet, so probably won't be out till 2017. Also, speaking of horror, Gene Simmons, former KISS member, and the WWE have teamed up to form Erebus Pictures. They will be making horror films. They are forming a company to make horror pictures exclusively. Their first film is called Temple. They start shooting that this summer. I'm really curious to see how this works out. I love horror films, but a lot of times when rock stars try to get into the horror film, movie thing, it doesn't work out. I did like when Rob Zombie remade Halloween. I did like that. The first one, he made 2 or 3 of them, but I only liked the first one, so we'll see how that goes. And speaking of WWE, this is WrestleMania weekend. To all my wrestling fans out there, I am excited. I'm a huge wrestling fan. The big show goes down on Sunday, and I will be watching it on the WWE Network. I pay my $9.99 every month. I'll be watching it to see the big match, the headlining match between Brock Lesnar and Roman Reigns. I'm excited about this. A lot of other matches going on. You got the return of Sting. He's facing Triple H. I mean, I grew up a Sting fan. Now, we're just gonna, not pay attention to the fact that Sting's like 54 years old now. Hey, but I want to watch it for one more match. Just seeing him go against Triple H, I'm excited about that. I'm excited about seeing my man John Cena face Rusev for the United States title. Go USA. I'm rooting for John. Hopefully he brings it back for the country. I'm excited, man. I hope you all are too. And if you don't have WWE Network now, go to WWE.com and sign up. It's only $9.99 a month to get all the pay-per-views. I'm DJ Epic with Sound Off Society. Talk to you later.